Let's talk about the software on your computer right now that can help you create better gifts and make more money in your business. Let's chat. What up, coach? Or maybe you're a speaker. Hope you're doing well. Again, today I want to help you create and make gifts, get value to other folks in your business. If you don't know who I am, I'm Justin Morgan, founder of AutomationMastery.net, here to help you, coach, speaker, and trainer, create automated systems that save you some precious time and can generate you more revenue. And so as we talk about up-leveling our business, one of the big things I've talked about before, and if you want to hear, I'm sure I have that gripe somewhere up on the internets, right? I'm sure I have that up somewhere. I talk about how folks are always just having people subscribe to a newsletter. Now, I know you're getting better at it, and I know I've probably harped on it enough to try to knock it through your brain that you should stop doing it. Perhaps you haven't. So one thing that I've stressed is on your websites, on your pages, stop. And I mean stop trying to just offer people an opportunity to sign up for your newsletter. It's old, it's tired, and frankly, it's boring. Nobody just wants a newsletter for the purpose of a newsletter. What they want to do is learn something, get something, receive something, get something of value. And so you must focus on giving value. Okay? At the end of the day, you must focus on giving value. If you want to understand why, go check out the video of I Am. Again, that's somewhere. Go check out the video I Am. You'll understand how that principle works and why it's important. But in order for someone to give you their information, you need to give them something of value first. And that could be a free gift. Now, a free gift can be made in many different ways. What I do want to tell you is that there's one way you can use something on your computer that most people have if you own a modern desktop or laptop that you can use to create very decent and if not really good gifts depending on how crafty you want to be. And so I'm gonna go ahead and let's slide on over. All right, you can see right now I have this up as a PDF, right? But I made this in PowerPoint. So this was a gift that I had put together. And it was a very good gift. I'm gonna tell you about how I set it up. So I did this presentation on the 5 parts of the automation engine, which you can see. You can tell this is old because it has my old logo up there, okay? But I did it on the prospecting on the automation engine, okay? So you can see the 5 parts up there. And so I would train on those and then reference this as the free gift. So, I go and say, hey, if you missed any part of this, just check the free gift. You'll be able to get all the steps and additional information in here. So while I can only go over so much in the presentation, this allows me to give some extra context and extra tips in here that people can use and have be of value to them. Okay, so I talk about what automation is, tell them to do an audit. So again, this is of use to them, right? Like it's valuable, okay? And what I would do, and it's a little hack, and I figured this out a long time ago, looking at people's programs and how they were setting things up. I put a list of the softwares that I use, okay? So in here, again, now that I go through the trainings, I'm like, hey, these are all the things that I use or that I've used in the past or that I recommend. And so folks may miss them. So I say, okay, well, here you go. Text this word to a number and get this list. Right, and they would go here, and what they can actually do is a lot of these are affiliate links. Okay, so some of these are actually affiliate links. So while I'm giving value or something for free, like if I'm speaking on stage at an event and you can't sell them something, so even if I can't offer them from the stage, and I don't even get a chance to get them into an appointment, they could literally check out this document, go sign up for something, and I get paid. I don't have to go service anything. I don't have to deliver anything. I have zero responsibility. It doesn't cost me any extra time to do or to produce. Like, it's extra money, okay? And you can do this within PowerPoint, right? This was a screenshot from another piece of software, right? But you can do this within PowerPoint, like right now, and then save it as a PDF. And all you do is you go up on a website called Amazon S3. Look up Amazon S3. When you go on to Amazon S3 and you sign up for it, it's free to get an account. You can set something up like this as a PDF and then send that link out and people can directly download it. Now you're gonna be like, well, I can use a Google Drive, or like a OneDrive or a Dropbox. No, don't do that, because when you do that and you have to click a link to get something, it first takes you to the file. Sometimes it takes you to some other page first. No, when you get something out of Amazon S3 and you click that link, it immediately downloads it. Like immediate. There's no intermediary page. It just immediately starts to download it. So, and it's real quick. It doesn't cost you anything, and you can create something nice. So, if you need to create a free gift, or you need help in automating your business, again, go ahead to automatewithease.com. Automatewithease.com. Go ahead and check it out. I'll see you there. As usual, share this with a friend, family member, or a foe, because they need this information too. I appreciate you and all that you do. I'll see you in the next one. And as usual, treat each day as a building block to a better future. Peace.